Guys, I'm back with a new video of LeetCode series. Today we are going to solve question number 20, valid parenthesis. Let's read the statement. Given a string S containing the just characters like all the parentheses determine if the input string is valid. Here is some conditions for a valid string. First is open bracket must be closed by same type of brackets. Open bracket must be closed in the correct order. Every closed bracket has the corresponding opening bracket of the same type. Let's see the example. Here we can see that example number one S is equal to normal parenthesis opening and closing bracket. Here is output true because it is opening and closing properly. Same in example number three. First is normal parenthesis and square bracket and curly bracket. Here is all are opening and closing proper manner. In example number three, you can see that the opening start with parenthesis, but the closing is going to the going square bracket. That's the false. This is the reason its output is false. If you can see that example number four is here is parenthesis open and the closed properly, and we will use the step for the this problem statement. Let's see the code. Here we are just use step character st step and use for loop for iteration for character c. We will run iterate in string as if c is equal to uh, opening bracket or c is equal to the square opening bracket and c is equal to opening curly bracket. If this condition true, we will just st dot push character c. That's it. And the in else, I will explain you in better manner. If st dot empty, then we will just return false. That's it. And if c is equal to closing parent curly bracket and it must stop not have the opening curly bracket. That's it. Here we just return false. That's it. If c is equal to normal opening parenthesis and sorry opening not closing and st dot top not is equal to the opening normal parenthesis and return false. If same for square brackets, if c is equal to uh, closing square brackets and st dot top not is equal to opening brackets, then false. That's it. And we'll just st dot top and we'll just return st dot empty. Let's I explain you. Firstly, I submit it. Here you can see that our total 5 test cases are passed. Let's I explain you. Here you can see that we use the stack st. In for loop, we are just iterating in a string s. If condition, If the brackets are opening, then we will just proceed. In case brackets are not opening, a stack will be empty. Here we are returning because if opening bracket start not starting with opening bracket, stack will empty and we will just return false. And you can see that the in if condition you can see in closing bracket must have the previous opening bracket same type of. If not, here you can see that if not, then we will just return false. We written for all three brackets, and the at the end we are just popping it, and if the all conditions are true, empty stack will be empty at the end. Let's submit it. You can see that our test case, total of 102 test cases are passed, and time for this code time complexity is of n and space complexity is of 1. And thank you for watching.